How to find Deutsche Bank branch number. Deutsche Bank is a major German multinational investment bank offering services in investment banking, corporate banking, asset management, and retail banking across 70-plus countries. First, on Google, search WISE Swift code. Click on first link. Then click on Search by Bank. Select your country. I select Germany. Then select Deutsche Bank AG. Then select city, for example, search Berlin. Click on Find Swift code. Here you will get all the bank branch number of Deutsche Bank located in Berlin, Germany. Click on it. You can copy it from here. That's it. Thanks for watching.